Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, as we all know that mnemonics play a very important role in medical life to learn to memorize very important medical vocabulary. So today we will learn about one mnemonic of layers of cornea, that is A, B, C, D, E, simple alphabet orders. So first layer is anterior epithelium. Second layer that starts from B is Bowman's layer. So third letter is C, that is stroma, or we can say that corneal stroma. Fourth is descendant membrane, and fifth is endothelium. Now we will see the diagram of these layers of cornea. So let's get to the diagram. So as we studied, first layer is epithelium, second layer is Bowman's layer, third layer is stroma, fourth layer is descendant membrane, and fifth layer is endothelium. So we will study about some mnemonics in the later videos. So please subscribe to my channel for later mnemonics. Thank you.